In this video, I will show you how to report after sales refund intervention in minutes and get your money back on 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Hydrofish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, so let's dive into tutorial and see step by step on how you can actually report after sales refund intervention in just a few minutes and get your money back on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's begin. Welcome back, friends. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open my 1688 shopping app. Next thing you want to do is to go to your profile. Just click on here to access your profile. Then for every item you want to ask for intervention for after sales refund is going to be found right here. So I'm going to click on here. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you screenshot the items image. So right here, I'm going to screenshot all this one right here. So I'm going to ask for intervention for these two items. I'm going to crop that off. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure you head over to the item on transit right here. So I'm going to click on that. So the item on transit is going to be found right here. All right, so this is one of the items right here. So what I'm going to do is to make sure I click on the product link. I'm going to open up the item link. Then I need this to screenshot this page. So I'm going to screenshot this page also. Then I'll make sure I open the logistic tracking right here. I'll make sure I screenshot the logistic tracking. Then I'll go back. So the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I go back to my profile. Then I have to head over back to my refund section. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to file for after sales refund intervention for these items right here. So I'm going to click on the item link. So it's going to open up this page. So before you can file for after sales refund intervention from 1688 buyer support, you must have request for a refund and the supplier refused to grant your refund. So if the supplier refused to grant your refund, so you have to apply for after sales refund intervention on 1688. So for you to do that, after you must have screenshot all your proof, then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here. So it takes you to this page. So the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to tell the reason why you want to apply for intervention. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you select this one, inconsistent delivery. So I'm going to select on that. Having select on that, click on here to accept. So we are done with that. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you type exactly what you need. I'm going to head over to my Google Translate. So right here, this is my Translate. If you don't have a Google Translate installed on your phone, it is advisable to get it installed. It is a free app that allows you to translate or to type in whatever language and convert to another language. So right here, I'm going to make sure this is in English language, while this is going to be Chinese tradition. All right, so what I'm going to do next is to make sure I type. I just need my money refunded. Simple as that. Then once you type, you have to make sure you copy the Chinese. Then you have to go back to the section. Then right here, make sure you click and hold down, paste. Then the next column right here is where you need to enter your phone number. So a lot of people made mistake right here, most especially if you are foreigner. So if you are foreigner, you have to make sure you click on here to choose your foreign option. Then make sure you are, after you click on that, then make sure you select this. Once you select that, make sure you click on here to accept. Then the next thing you need to do is to make sure you enter your foreign phone number here with your country code. So I'm going to enter my phone number right here. Okay. Then once you enter your phone number, next thing you want to do is to type the body of the message and make sure everything's stated clear. So we have to head over back to my translate right here. So what I need to type here is that seller out of stock. I was told to make a refund, but seller refused to accept my refund request. Please give me my money back. It's as simple as that. Then, thank you. So once you're done, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to copy the type. Then make sure you click on here to copy everything in Chinese. Then you have to head over back to your 1688. Then right here, you have to click and hold down paste. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to upload all your proof. Then you have to click on here to choose the proof from your phone album. So all the earlier screenshots, I'm going to select them one after the other. This one here, this one here, this one here. I think that is all. Then I will upload. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to click on here to submit your after sales refund intervention complaint. Then click on here to submit. So right here, your complaint has been submitted successful, and in less than 24 hours, 1688 buyer support is going to intervene in this issue, and you will get your money back 100% guarantee. This is very work only if you use your Alipay to make the purchase on 1688 shopping app. So this is how to ask for after sales refund intervention from 1688 buyer support step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content like this about importation business, you'll be notified. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba, on Pindodo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.